Hi guys, Lance the option teacher here. This quick video I'm going to go over a new channel that I made for all members for income ETF channel. So in this one I'm going over some of the high ends or high yields ETFs that do covered calls in most cases. So I wrote down some ETFs to consider. Also have a pretty long chat on it. There is a guide on what ETFs to consider, why do you consider them, what type of value growth, international, Bitcoin, real estate. We're doing all of those in this channel. When to consider dripping and reinvesting into more shares, or when you're considering taking in the income. Has to do with the accumulation phase as you're building up the account, and for distribution phase if you're at or near retirement. These are very helpful guides in order to come up with a system to be taking in pretty large amounts of income over time if you follow it, or if you already have a large account and you need help with how to purchase these different ETFs and how to possibly allocate it. That's where I got a lot of questions from members. So if you could see, there's a big guide there. Put a video on how I invest for the future. Different books to look at. We're also talking about possibly using margin with these as well. Right now, margin rates are starting to get a bit lower. I know in Robinhood it's about 5%, and in M1 it's about 6%. But a lot of these covered call ETFs will give even higher percents than that with no NAV erosion. So you can make a difference in the income you're taking in minus the margin requirement. That's not absolutely necessary, but we are discussing possibilities with that. If you look at the pinned messages here, I wrote what I currently own all of these different high income ETFs, and also wrote down the amount that I'm using. I'm also testing this out on Robinhood. With a Robinhood Gold account, you can use up to $1,000 in margin. So I'm doing a high income ETF account in Robinhood. Members will be able to receive and see all the trades that I do with this as well. So if looking at high yielding income ETFs would benefit you, I'm going to click the link in the description down below on how to join and get access to all this. Again, all members and this group will be able to see access to this. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.